Welcome to the TopPick lab. The best IR camera is probably one of the most versatile and innovative gadgets you can get for your iPhone, transforming your smartphone into a powerful thermal imaging tool that opens up a world of possibilities, from detecting heat loss in your home to finding your lost pet in the dark, and even for professional applications like electrical inspections or wildlife observation, making it an indispensable accessory for anyone looking to explore the unseen world around them. Number 5. COOAU D30S 4K Cam. Experience crystal clear 4K video with a wide 170 degrees view. It captures crucial details like road signs and license plates, providing you with essential evidence for your safety and protection. This device records front and inside views simultaneously in 2.5K and 1080p. It offers comprehensive protection for rideshare drivers and captures precious family trip memories. With its large aperture and advanced sensor, it delivers exceptional video quality even in low light. In complete darkness, its infrared LEDs provide daytime-like clarity for fearless night driving. Connect wirelessly to your smartphone via Wi-Fi to manage settings and videos effortlessly. The integrated GPS accurately records your routes, locations, and speed, enhancing recording reliability. It automatically records and secures crucial evidence when parked. Choose from collision detection, motion detection, or time-lapse modes for continuous monitoring and power saving. Enjoy uninterrupted recording with loop functionality and support for large storage cards. The G sensor automatically locks footage in case of collisions, preserving vital moments. Built to withstand extreme temperatures from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring stable operation in any climate. Enjoy peace of mind with our 2-year warranty and dedicated support. What we like. This dash cam offers exceptional clarity with its 4K front and 2.5K inside recording capabilities, ensuring you capture every detail. Its advanced infrared night vision provides clear footage even in complete darkness. If you're a rideshare driver, delivery person, or simply want comprehensive protection for your vehicle and its occupants, this is the ideal choice for peace of mind on the road. What people say. The D30S has a useful suction cup mount that does away with the 3M tape, so it's easy to move around to get the best angle. The screen and video quality is great too. The app is user-friendly and connects my phone to the dashcam to access videos and settings. Set up easily, pictures are sharp and clear, suction cup mount works really well and lets the camera be easily repositioned. If placed behind and just below rear view mirror, it's unobtrusive and doesn't obstruct view. App is intuitive and works well. I love having the simultaneous inside and outside filming, which is one of the reasons I got this particular model. The setup is easy, and the video quality is great. Number 4. Flir 1 Thermal Imaging Camera for iOS. Introducing the Flir 1, a powerful thermal imaging camera designed for your iPhone. It easily plugs into your device, allowing you to see the world in a whole new way. Experience incredible detail with our Vivid IR technology, which upscales images for superior clarity. Plus, Flir MSX technology blends thermal and visual views for real-time enhanced details. The Flir 1 app includes step-by-step guides to help you perform accurate home inspections. Easily identify issues like air leaks and moisture buildup. This device is built to withstand the rigors of any job site, rated for drops up to 1.5 meters. It's designed for durability and long-lasting performance. Ideal for a wide range of uses, from home inspections to automotive and industrial applications. It's a commercial-grade tool for professionals. Get precise temperature measurements with high accuracy. It's reliable for all your inspection needs, ensuring you get the data you need. What we like. This thermal imager is designed to seamlessly integrate with your iPhone, transforming it into a powerful diagnostic tool. With its super-resolution technology, it provides detailed thermal images for a wide range of applications. If you're a homeowner looking to identify energy leaks, a mechanic diagnosing engine issues, or a contractor performing inspections, this device offers an accessible and effective way to see the invisible. What people say. The MSX image enhancement technology is a game-changer, allowing me to see things in thermal imaging that I never thought possible. This device is very useful for checking for hot-cold differences, like if your gaming laptop is overheating or air conditioner isn't cooling enough. The Flir 1 app is easy to use, but the guides on how to find home heating issues, air leak, insulation issues, or moisture detection, require a yearly subscription. Number 3. Hiseeu 2K Wireless Security Camera System. Setting up your security system is a breeze. Simply connect the cameras and NVR to power, then link your monitor. You'll be up and running in no time. With a pre-installed 3 TB hard drive, you can store weeks of footage without overwriting. Access and review your recordings from anywhere, anytime, right from your phone. Experience stunning 2K Ultra HD video, offering exceptional clarity. Our cameras also provide clear night vision up to 65 feet, ensuring visibility even in complete darkness. Tired of false alarms? This system uses advanced AI to detect only human presence, significantly reducing unnecessary notifications from pets or moving objects. Connect your NVR to your network effortlessly. Choose between a stable Ethernet cable connection or a convenient 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection, offering flexibility in placement. This system supports up to 10 cameras, allowing you to expand your coverage as needed. Ensure every corner of your property is monitored. We are committed to providing excellent customer service. If you have any questions or need assistance, our team is ready to help you with prompt and reliable support. What we like. This comprehensive security system provides stunning 2K HD video quality for both indoor and outdoor use, ensuring you don't miss a thing. With a pre-installed 3 TB hard drive, you get extensive storage for continuous recording. If you're looking for a robust home security solution with smart AI human detection to minimize false alarms and remote access via a mobile app, this system offers reliable surveillance and peace of mind. What people say. High-resolution footage with true color night vision, reliable Wi-Fi connection, and accurate smart detection, people vehicles. Setup took minutes with the intuitive app. Excellent build quality and very responsive customer support when I had a quick question. The cameras are pre-configured with the NVR, making setup easy. The cameras, 5 MP, are incredibly clear. Number 2. Flir 1 Pro Thermal Imaging Camera for iOS. Introducing the Flir 1 Pro, a powerful thermal imaging camera designed for your iPhone. It easily plugs into your Lightning port, making advanced thermal vision accessible. Experience incredible detail with its super-resolution technology, which upscales images for greater clarity. It also merges thermal and visual data, revealing more in real time. The companion app offers step-by-step guides for common inspections. Easily identify issues like air leaks or moisture buildup with confidence. This device is built to withstand demanding work environments. It's rated for drops up to 1.5 meters, ensuring durability when you need it most. Ideal for a wide range of professional uses, from home inspections to automotive and industrial applications. It provides accurate temperature measurements for critical tasks. What we like. This advanced thermal imager for iOS devices offers a higher resolution and improved MSX technology for even greater detail in thermal imaging. Its rugged, job site tough design ensures durability in demanding environments. If you require more precise thermal analysis for professional applications like detailed home inspections, complex machinery diagnostics, or advanced automotive repairs, this is the tool to elevate your capabilities. What people say. The Flir 1 Pro has been the best of all of these, independent of price. The app has a fantastic amount of functionality, permitting the use of multiple manual measurement points, manual temperature range scaling, and selective use of the optical and thermal cameras. It's great for transient measurements and has been an indispensable tool for my applications. This product does everything I need it to do and more. This device can find moisture in the walls because moisture holds on to heat longer and will show up along the electromagnetic spectrum at a different surface temp than the drier portions of wall sealing around it. The Pro version comes with a thermal sensor and a camera that simultaneously takes a photo of the visible light and then processes both thermal and image together, making it high resolution, and for the distance it's pretty much hyperspectral. Because of the spectral range comparing temperature variations. The Flir 1 Pro thermal camera, designed to work seamlessly with iPhones using the Lightning connection, is a tool that blends innovation with practicality. Its ability to easily connect to an iPhone makes it incredibly user-friendly for various applications. Detecting insulation gaps is effortless, providing a clear understanding of where heat loss occurs in a home. The Lightning connection to the iPhone is stable and reliable, ensuring seamless integration with the phone's interface. The accompanying app is robust, offering a range of options and settings that enhance the thermal imaging experience. Number 1. Seek Thermal Compact iOS Thermal Camera. Turn your phone into a powerful thermal imaging tool. It's perfect for use around the house, on the job, and in countless other situations. Quickly identify hidden problems that are invisible to the naked eye. This device helps you find energy loss, water damage, and electrical or mechanical failures. It's an essential tool for contractors, builders, engineers, and even DIY homeowners. Get the job done efficiently with this advanced technology. Detect heat signatures from up to 1,000 feet away. Plus, it requires no batteries or charging, making it always ready when you are. Easily capture photos and videos of thermal anomalies. It also includes a waterproof case for protection and a focusable lens for precise imaging. Featuring a 206 by 156 thermal sensor and a wide temperature detection range from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 626 degrees Fahrenheit. Explore various viewing modes and color palettes to suit your needs. What we like. This all-purpose thermal camera transforms your smartphone into a versatile diagnostic tool with its high-resolution sensor and broad temperature detection range. It requires no external batteries, making it incredibly convenient. If you're a DIY enthusiast, contractor, or engineer who needs to quickly identify issues like energy loss, water damage, or electrical problems, this compact and easy-to-use thermal camera is an essential addition to your toolkit. What people say. The thermal images are false color coded so that hot and cold surfaces really stand out. Walking around my pitch-black basement, I could identify every pipe and piece of equipment just from their thermal images. Upstairs and in the attic, I could see areas that were leaking air based on the sharp color differences. The app turns your iOS device into the display for the device. The interface is incredibly simple and easy to use. It also has some very nice features, like being able to display the temperatures of the hottest and coldest spots in the image. The camera itself felt rough as well, nice magnesium body and very light. The carrying case was sturdy and watertight. The focus lens works as expected. I've successfully focused on objects as close as 4 inches and as far as 1,500 feet. On short ranges a picture can get very detailed because of the good resolution. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.